bonus round. This section is not for the faint of heart. Welcome to the bonus section and the more advanced section of our AI agent. You do not need to do this if you manage to complete the agent up to the point where we did in the last video. Then you have passed all the tests and you are worthy. But if you want to step it up a bit, all right, you want to see what else is out there, you want to augment the experience of this agent and also test out your skills, your fundamental skills with HTTP requests and getting a deeper handle of N8N in general, then you're in the right place. Because what we're going to do in the next few videos is we're going to take this AI agent that we had where we can write text, and we can still write those text messages. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go to WhatsApp over here. I'm going to say, I need a new pair of shoes. I'm downtown Miami. And we're going to send this text out. We're going to see that we have the operation and the flow and everything's moving. Everything's moving like before. And then when we get that response, downtown Miami, Brickell City Center. Yep, gotta love the Brickell City Center, actually. It's nice how it's half open. Side note, it's half outside, half inside. It's pretty cool. So everything works like before, but I do hear you going, whoa, 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 Clarion, what the heck is going on here? You added a switch, another business cloud input, an what? I don't know what this is. More open AIs, some field editing. What I've added here and what we're going to do together step by step is the ability to send voice notes instead of text and the ability to write text. So the ability for both. When I click on test workflow and it executes, let's say I'm walking down the street and I don't have time to type. I can just say, hey, personal assistant, I need to buy some textbooks on JavaScript. Which ones do you recommend? I gotta make a list. And okay, so I'm sending that voice note. You can see that I did that on my phone because it's already showing up, synced up here on the desktop. And now it's running through. It went through the WhatsApp Business Cloud. And if we take a look now and we go to our WhatsApp, sure, here's some well-regarded textbooks on JavaScript. So we now have voice activation as well. We're gonna look at how we can integrate this because it's a great feature to have for these bots, and it's also a great way to dive deeper into our skill set to get more familiar with the tools that N8N has to offer, such as multiple routes of the same type of trigger event, when that becomes useful, and then customizing our own HTTP requests to extract data and convert them into different formats. This is all very powerful stuff that can be extrapolated for your own toolkit when you're building other things in N8N in general, automated workflows, or extrapolating on your chatbots to have voice integration. All right. So if this is something that's interesting for you, let's do it. Let's go bonus mode. Let's step it up. I'm excited to do this, guys. But again, if you're happy with what we've done so far, you want to move on to something else, maybe come to this later. But either way, I'm ready for bonus round. I'll see you if you are too in the next lesson. Okay. See you there.